Hi, this is my next project. It is a child's Windsor chair, or known as a bowback or wheelback chair. The wheel motif in the centre of the backsplat is what made these chairs a real top seller. This is when the name wheelback came around. This design became the most popular of all the Windsor chair designs and dates from around 1830. I don't think this chair is that old because it has been stained, plus it doesn't have any hand tooling marks on, and the dowels are machine made. You can tell this because they are too symmetrical. It's still a lovely kid's chair and is probably around 100 years old. I would definitely keep it if I could. So this chair has been brought to me because it has woodworm and one leg has been eaten so badly it has snapped. Right, let's make shavings. Right, so now the leg has been removed from the chair, we can actually have a little inspect of it. So I'm going to pick it up a minute. Look at that, that's absolutely riddled. No wonder it snapped. So having a close inspection, I've determined that this leg is made out of beech, which you can see in the background there. I've already picked a piece out ready to make a new leg. So yeah, look at that, riddled. So we'll just break it in half a minute where it snapped. I'm surprised woodworm literally aren't falling out as I'm tapping this. So you can see all the dust there. Absolutely loads of dust fell out. Right, it's time to measure the diameter of this leg and get on the lathe and get a new one turned. Here you can see me transferring all the features from the old leg onto the new leg. I then like to isolate the features by turning down either side to the correct depth and freehand turning in between. before I stained the chair, I gave it 2 coats of woodworm treatment. So that's the end of this build. Turned out all right in the end. So throughout this, you've probably seen this book in the background, and it is my go-to book when I need to find anything out about any Windsor chairs. It's a very good little book. It is. It's by Ivan G. Sparks. I managed to pick this up off eBay for £3.50, which was an absolute bargain, I thought. And yeah, there we go. When you go through it, it's literally got. There's the ones we've obviously just repaired. Coming through into some other styles. Some nice bow backs there. Some pretty funky ones. A nice gothic 3-seater there, and a couple of cool stools on the left hand side. So yeah, if you ever want to find any information out about any Windsor chairs, pick up this book on eBay. Can't go wrong. Sweet.